Hello, my fellow comic book collectors. This is going to be another unboxing and kind of comic haul video. So every Friday I try to go out to my local comic book shop that's a little, not really local, but somewhat local. And I go and get, the latest few comics. I always tell myself, I just want to pick up these 2 comics, and then I end up picking like a dozen. It's just how it is, you think you're going to pick up just a couple. I just want to get that latest whatever. In this case, for me, the 2 that I wanted to pick up were which ones? It was like oh yes, here, this one. You'll probably recognize it. Something is Killing the Children, number 16. So this is the new series. Really, it's like, even though it's number 16, it's actually the new run of Something's Killing the Children, because it's a new arc. It's a new story arc. So that's the B cover. And then I got, of course, the A cover as well. So I got both covers. And I got another series. So that was the reason I went to the comic book shop. And then, you always pick up like a dozen other things that you really didn't intend to buy, but you end up buying anyways. So, I got another one that I wanted to get was Department of Truth. So this is Department of Truth number 9. I have the rest of the series. And another one that I saw that I thought maybe could be interesting is this Made in Korea. I thought maybe it's interesting. My wife is Korean, just so you know. And I thought, hey, Made in Korea sounds interesting. So that's that one. I have no idea what this one is. And if anyone knows what this one is, I just saw it. It was just the last one left. And I thought, what the heck is it? So it's called Vault Undressed. I have no idea what it is. So if anyone knows in the comments, tell me what this one is. I wasn't sure if it's going to be interesting or not. So I have no idea. Just looked interesting. Then I got Robin. I forgot which channel it was, but somebody said that this was a really good series. So I don't actually mind Robin. So I got Robin number 1. And then I got the more recent, Robin, the one that just dropped, Robin number, this is the variant cover, the Robin number 2. And the other cover. Now, another reason why I picked up this Robin one was the bubblegum. I know that a lot of people are collecting these bubblegum blowing covers, and I thought, yeah, it's kind of cool. So I picked that up. And then I actually am a big fan of Lady Death. If you watched my top 50 video, you'll know that I'm a big collector of Lady Death and Coffin Comics. So here's a bunch that I picked up of Lady Death. This is number 2. Again, another variant of number 2, kind of like Lady Death. And here's the number 1 issue. Kind of a sexy lingerie cover. And then this is the A cover of that, number 1 of that series. Okay, so that's Lady Death. And then, actually, I'm a big fan of Mr. Miracle. So this is the newest Mr. Miracle series. I thought, wow, Mr. Miracle. It's been a while since I've seen him. So this is the new Mr. Miracle series. Thought maybe I'll check it out, see if it's any good. If you look up behind me, way up there, I have his first appearance, Mr. Miracle 1. And the other reason actually I went to the comic shop was to pick up this one, Man, Goat, and Bunny Man. Now, it wasn't this cover that I wanted, actually, and this is the only one they had left. There's kind of a B cover, which I thought was sexy, kind of cool, but they didn't have it. So I was like, I'll just pick it up anyway. So I was a little bit disappointed, but this is the other reason I went, because I knew that had just came out. So that was the ones that I bought from my local comic book shop. And now I'm going to show you the unboxing part of this video. And I have no idea what's inside of these. So I'll quickly open them, show you what's inside. So, this first one see if I can cut it without cutting the comic. They put a lot of tape on this one. I don't mind when they use this painter's tape, so it's not too bad. So you can see what I'm doing. But yeah, you know, it's always fun to go to the local comic book shop, see what they have. You end up always buying more than you intend. I'm not sure if anyone else has that experience, but definitely for me, I end up buying more than I ever than I really want. But yeah, it's always fun to go still. Actually, they always give me a really good discount. So even though I buy more, it kind of isn't that much more. It wasn't too expensive compared to some of the comics that I normally buy. Like, so yeah, it wasn't too bad. Now, these ones that I just picked up, I'm trying to remember the character's name, is X-Men, the Astonishing X-Men number 3, which I think is the cameo for the character that makes their first appearance in this one. And I'm trying to remember what the character is. If you can tell me in the comments below which character made their first appearance. I actually know. I just blanking on the name right now. But this was her first full appearance, first cameo. And it's a character that I believe is going to be tied into the Loki series. So yeah, it's a comic that I had looked at before, and it was always way overpriced. And I think the price had dropped, and so that's when I picked it up. It was around $100 normally, and I picked up the 2 for $60. So I thought that was a reasonably good deal. So that's why I picked those up. And the last one, I'm getting better at opening things, so I think. Oh, wow. Okay, this one is really cool. Really, really cool. Because of multiple reasons. It is in really bad shape, though. Just FYI, it's in bad shape. But still, in this low grade shape, it's still an expensive comic, a very expensive comic. So more expensive than all the other ones combined that I just bought. This is Killers number 1. This is L.B. Cole cover art, so very nice cover. And it's also a book that was featured in The Seduction of the Innocent. So I'm actually in the process of kind of getting a few, not just The Seduction of the Innocent, but L.B. Cole covers. And I'm trying to get some of his art. I'm trying to get some of these sort of hot artists from the 40s, like L.B. Cole, Matt Baker, Schomburg, you know, just some of these cool artists from the 40s. And this one is L.B. Cole, but it's also something that was mentioned in The Seduction of the Innocent. So it's a very rare comic. It's hard to get in high grade unless you pay thousands and thousands of dollars. In this kind of grade, it's worth about $200 to $300, just to give you a sense. And you can see it's like mangled, like piece of it's missing right there. It's like really rough along the edge. Like, you know, but it's still pretty cool art. And that's Killers number 1. Very cool. And I might do a video later where I explain all my Seduction of the Innocent books and why they're in the Seduction of the Innocent. So that was my unboxing and comic haul video. I hope you enjoyed. I was really quite excited to get this one. This is a really awesome book. Just really like the art. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.